Right, welcome to another one of our sort of DIY videos, YouTube videos. I hope this is going to be of use to somebody. We're in a process, if you've seen any of the other videos, recent ones, fitting an IKEA kitchen. You need to fit a sink, there's a sink cabinet there, and we need to fit a dishwasher. We do have a fair bit of water hammer in the property. That's when you hear that banging all the time. We've put one arrestor in already. And it seems to have cured it, but I just want to make sure at the back of this cabinet is going to be an access panel so we can get to all of this. And this one is a mini rester, AA size, Sioux Chief. Yeah.
Water hammer rester.
Yeah. Bought this from Screwfix. Don't quote me on this, it might have been 24 quid, might have been 19.99, I don't know. So in any event you need one of these. It comes with 2 nuts and the 2 olives in. And they go on there when you're ready to do your pipe up. So we'll put those back on. So you need one of these. We're going to put ours in. Some people put them in like that, but we're going to put ours in like that. It doesn't make any difference. We've done it before and it doesn't. We can do that in our sink. It doesn't matter really which way it goes for us. Right. Okay. Tools you're going to need to do this. New installation, in any event, you're going to need a pipe cutter. I can't stress how important a decent pipe cutter is.
Rothenberg,
and the difference is that when you first get your pipe, your copper pipe, it's too close there really, it's just got a round straight edge all the way up. You'll see it there. And when you cut your pipe, it creates a nice beveled edge, and this makes it a lot easier if you're using push fittings. We use Tektite sometimes if it's hidden out of the way because they just push on and they're brilliant. So you don't want them snagging. Tektites will snag if the end isn't smooth. Right, you'll need a bit of emery cloth to clean the pipe up.
An important thing to note about this is the way these pipes come in. We didn't do all the plumbing in this property. Usually you'd have your hot on the left, your cold on the right, but the way it comes down the wall and through, it's just how it is. So
yeah.
We're fitting
cold supply.
We're fitting the water hammer arrestor to the cold, which is on the left, but obviously the tap will be crisscross.
So I always give that a good clean. Now you need some PTFE tape. This comes in a roll like that. You see it, PTFE, thread and seal. And what I do is just pull a bit off. It's cheap as chips, that literally. Twist it. Take your whole thing off and start at the back and just twist it round, and you end up with that like that. What I also do is I use some called Fernox LSX, and I always put a little bit of this on the thread. It looks like a clear silicone. I'll put that on in a minute, and it is fantastic. If you get a little leak somewhere, just put some of this on it. So you need ideally Fernox PTFE tape, got your arrestor, you'll need a little spanner, some decent mould grips, pipe cutter, pencil, some cleaning pad and a bit of sort of fine emery cloth just to clean your pipe up, even though it's just, you know, going to be a friction joint in essence. And all I do, I put my PTFE tape on, as you can see. I mean, I'd say the reason I use this LSX, sounds like an aeroplane that, is that basically you're guaranteed not to have any leaks. That's why I use it. And I'll just say, while we're making this video, once again, we are not plumbers. We are just enthusiastic DIYers. So I just push that on, tighten that up a little bit until it's sort of holding itself. Then depending where we're going to have it, about there I think. There. There are pipe clips going to go on there when I'm done this, but I just want to make the video. So
We just want to show you sort of what this thing looks like and how easy it is to fit, what you need to fit it. And these are Irwin Vise grip.
And again, these are the best mould grips on the market. The amount of trouble that's got us out with. And you'll see there what I'm doing is, I'll put it down there so we can see easier. Just tighten it up really.
That'll compress all that, won't it, and seal it all up with obviously other stuff you put in there.
If you can see that pipe turn, it's because the Tektite, one of the benefits of Tektite, because everything can swivel, it gives you a bit of flexibility with everything. That's why I like them as well. If this was something that was more visible, we'd use solder joints. And basically, that's it, and then you just connect into your other bit of pipe. The only other step you'd have to do if you're cutting into, it's like a retrofit existing pipe, is measure the gap between there and there for your pipe to go in. And it's about there. You see a little ridge there? You want to take about two centimetres out. Take less out, you can always take a little bit more out if it comes to it. And that really is how to fit one of these water resters if you've got knocking pipes and banging things away.
What things can you use it on?
Inline, you're just inline cold water supply.
For like sinks, toilets, anything that bangs when you shut it off.
Yeah, you can get another
appliances, special appliances.
I don't know if I've got the other one handy, but you can get a different type.
Yeah. We made a video about the I can't remember which name, but it's on the channel. But it's coming in on the main supply, and we've got one on that as well. This is just an additional one we bought. We're gonna fit it anyway to protect things.
There's a different type that literally screws on.
Yeah, don't worry about it if you can't find it.
Okay, so it's made by the same company.
Okay.
And any rest, different way of fitting it.
Let's have a look at this one.
Well, if you take it out there.
Oh, it's Sioux Chief.
Yeah.
It's the AA size, and it's more of a.
And what happens there? This goes on the back of an appliance, a washing machine. Screws directly onto the back.
Quite good.
So, we've got a dishwasher there. So that would. So I would take my cold water pipe off, which is down the bottom on this, unfortunately. There, or in a washing machine. Take your cold water pipe off, screw this on, and then screw your pipe back onto the threaded end. And that's that's an easy way. If your washing machine's coming on, and it's knocking all the time, just do that. Yeah. So there's another option for you. Again, they're not cheap.
It shows you actually how it goes, so it's nice and easy.
Yeah, there we go.
Just take your time.
Yeah, they're not cheap, but if you've got constant knocking, that means you've got constant vibration, and that will eventually destroy pipes, soldering joints, will cause problems with your boiler.
And it's annoying
Can
as
you
well.
imagine that? You know,
in the night, yeah.
I mean, it's like, and we had it here. It's like somebody firing one. You know, if you've been out in the country and you hear one of those farmers' bird scares, it was like that.
Yeah.
You know, we even had kids next door saying, "Did you hear that bang last night?" Well,
it was our pipes knocking.
It's our pipes.
Sort it out,
yeah. So yeah, an easy and simple solution really that any DIY can do. Oh, make sure you turn your water off and open your taps and flush your toilets. Get rid of all your water.
Yeah, definitely.
That. I'm going to say that again. Make sure you turn your water off. Open your taps and flush your toilets. Now I'm going to say something else to you. When you finish fitting it, yeah, close your taps.
Let it pressurise back up so you've got full mains pressure,
just
not
in
just
case
the
your
taps
sink doesn't
open,
flow as well as it should. You don't want a running tap and
yeah, you don't want that old mistake.
Screams in the house.
Yeah.
And a drowned cat. Anyway, hopefully this has been useful. And for those who have watched our previous videos, you'll know how smart I look with the new top. Anyway, over to you.
Thanks for watching, and feel free to comment below.
Nice comments.
Yeah, only nice comments.
I'll get upset.
Okay, see you later.